Good morning, class. Last time we have finished till number 4. Now I will begin with number 5. I told you to do this homework. None of you, I think very few of you have shown me. So let us discuss the exercise. Sameer is between near Nina and Nithi. Two options are given here. One is correct and one is incorrect. Which one is correct? For that you have to look at the picture given here. Sameer is standing between Nina and Nithi. He is in the middle, right? And one side there is Nina and the other side there is Nithi. So on both the sides there are people, right? And he is in the middle. So we have to write here Sameer is between Nina and Nithi. We use between when something or someone is in the middle and on both the sides there are some object or some person standing. जब कोई चीज़ या कोई इंसान बीच में खड़ा हो और उसकी दोनों साइड में कोई इंसान या कोई चीज़ रखी हो तब हम क्या कहते हैं कि वो बीच में खड़ा है. बीच में क्यों? बीच में इसलिए क्योंकि उसकी दोनों साइड पे लोग हैं और वो दोनों के बीच में है, सेंटर में, मिडल में. Number 6. The cat jumped into or on the well. You can see the picture here. The cat jumped into or on the well. We use on when we are talking about the surface of the thing. जब कोई चीज़ किसी surface के ऊपर हो तब हम on use करते हैं. And we use into when someone or something is placed or going inside that area. Correct? As you can see in this picture, the cat is jumping into the well, inside it, right? Not on the edge of it, but in the well. Correct? Well के अंदर, in the boundaries, inside the boundaries. So the cat jumped into the well. Into is the answer here. Number 7. The boy went up or down the hill. The boy went up or down the hill. You can see the picture here. The boy is going up, right? Upwards, in the upwards direction. So we have to write here the boy went up the hill. You just have to put a tick mark on the answer. Number 8. The ball rolled up or down the stairs. The ball rolled up or down the stairs. Now you can see here the ball is coming down. Correct? It is not going up, it is coming down. Correct? So here we have to write down the stairs. Next, the bicycle is behind or between the gate. I repeat, the bicycle is behind or between the gate. Now, as I said earlier, when do we use between? We use between when something is in the middle of other two things on both the sides. जब कोई चीज़ बीच में होती है, उसके दोनों साइड कोई चीज़ या कोई पर्सन है, तब हम between यूज़ करते हैं, right? And behind we use when something is at the back of it, right? At the back of it, पीछे. जब कोई चीज़ या कोई पर्सन किसी चीज़ के पीछे खड़ा हो तब हम behind यूज़ करते हैं. If you look carefully to the picture, the bicycle is behind the gate. This is the gate and the bicycle is behind, not in front. ठीक है, in front कब यूज़ करते हैं? in front मतलब आगे, किसी चीज़ के आगे. अगर बाइसिकल आगे रखी होती तो हम लिखते द बाइसिकल इज in front, right? But here the bicycle is behind the gate. गेट के पीछे है. Next, number 10. The head of the frog is above or into the water. The head of the frog. Listen carefully. The head of the frog. Frog का सिर is above or into the water. Right? See, the frog is not outside the water. If you look carefully, it is not outside the water. Half of his body is inside the water and only his head is above the water. Correct? Above तब use करते हैं when something or someone is above the surface of anything. Right? Here the head of the frog is above the surface of water. पानी की सरफेस से ऊपर है. करेक्ट? सो वी हैव टू यूज हियर above. The head of the frog is above the water. Now let us look at the next exercise. Look at the picture given below. Write at, in, on, near, over or on from the brackets as needed. Let us have a look at this exercise. Here the options are given in the bracket. We have to choose the correct one and write it in the blank. Priya went to the park. She saw her friends there. Now Priya, a girl, she went to the park and she saw her friends there. Rohit was standing blank a tree. Now, can you see someone near the tree? Yes, this boy, right? So we guess that he is Rohit. So he was standing on the tree or under a tree. On मतलब ट्री के ऊपर and under मतलब ट्री के नीचे. So as it shows, Rohit is standing under a tree. So under is the right answer. You have to write it in the blank. He was looking blank at on the butterfly. He was looking blank the butterfly. At the butterfly or on the butterfly? He was looking at the butterfly. Okay? He was looking at the butterfly. See. Look at his eyes. He is looking here. At. So when we are looking at something, we use at. A large bird flew over the tree or into the tree. A large bird flew over the tree or into the tree. See, look at the picture, look at the bird here. The bird is flying over the tree, right? Over means from the top of the tree, not on the tree. ट्री के ऊपर नहीं उड़ रहा है, ट्री को क्रॉस कर रहा है, राइट? ओवर द ट्री, ट्री के ऊपर से जा रहा है. सो ओवर द ट्री. A large bird flew over the tree. Into कब यूज़ करते हैं? When something or someone is inside it. जब कुछ अंदर होता है, inside होता है, तब हम into यूज़ करते हैं. Neeti was happy blank the swing. In the swing or on the swing? Look at the picture here. the girl is sitting, she is very happy on the swing, right? She is sitting on the surface of the swing. Swing यानी झूला, झूले के ऊपर बैठी है, right? On the swing. Aunt Nina was in the pram or near the pram? In the pram or near the pram? Now what is pram? Pram is the small thing in which you carry a baby, right? It has wheels so that you can move it everywhere. Okay? So Aunt Nina is near the pram. Okay? Aunt is not sitting in the pram. Pram के अंदर aunt नहीं बैठी है, right? There is a baby in the pram. So Aunt Nina was near the pram. वो pram के बाजू में खड़ी है, near it means close to it. So here the answer is near. Aunt Nina was near the pram. The baby was blank the pram. Now we are talking about the baby. Where was the baby? The baby was in the pram, right? Pram के अंदर बैठा है. It is in the pram. So here we will write the baby was in the pram. She smiled at Priya. Hari and Riya were blank the seesaw. Hari and Priya were blank the seesaw. In the seesaw or on the seesaw. Now, let me make this clear. अब आपको ये डाउट हो सकता है कि पहले जो सेंटेंस था उसमें हमने लिखा था कि द बेबी वॉज इन द प्रैम, राइट? द बेबी वॉज इन द प्रैम. बेबी प्रैम के अंदर है. तो फिर यहाँ पे हाँ, नीति वॉज हैप्पी ऑन द स्विंग. यहाँ पे हमने ऑन लिखा है, इन नहीं लिखा, राइट? और यहाँ पे जहाँ प्रैम था द बेबी वॉज इन द प्रैम. और यहाँ पे नीति वॉज हैप्पी ऑन द स्विंग. ऐसा क्यों? यहाँ पे इन क्यों नहीं आया? नीति वॉज हैप्पी इन द स्विंग क्यों नहीं आया? ऑन द स्विंग क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि नीति इज सिटिंग ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द स्विंग. स्विंग के ऊपर बैठी है. स्विंग का जो सरफेस है वो फ्लैट है, राइट? हॉलो नहीं है, उसमें अंदर जगह नहीं है, सीधा है, करेक्ट? उसमें वो बैठी है. और जो बेबी है वो प्रैम में बैठा है, जो चेयर जैसा है, राइट? जिसके अंदर बैठना पड़ता है, करेक्ट? अंदर जगह होती है और उसमें आपको बैठना होता है. सो वी आर राइटिंग देयर द बेबी वॉज इन द प्रैम. देखा आपने यहाँ पे कुशन जैसी छोटी सी, अगर आपने प्रैम देखा हो, जो छोटे बच्चों को हम लेके जाते हैं तो अंदर कुर्सी की तरह जगह होती है जिसमें हम उनको बिठाते हैं. तो अंदर जगह होती है, उसमें बैठना होता है. जबकि जो स्विंग होता है वो फ्लैट है, फ्लैट सरफेस, उसके ऊपर आपको बैठना होता है, करेक्ट? इसलिए ऑन द स्विंग एंड इन द प्रैम. She smiled at Priya. Hari and Riya were on the seesaw. This is called seesaw, right? Where you lift yourself up and down. Both the sides, one person will sit. So, Hari and Riya are on the seesaw. Again, seesaw is the flat surface and the person is sitting on it, on the surface, right? Flat surface के ऊपर बैठी है. They looked at Priya or to Priya. Look where they are looking. They looked